Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be talking about one of my most recent and most loved eyeshadow palette. I have talked about this eyeshadow palette quite a few times on my videos in the past month, and it is by the brand XX Revolution, and this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is actually an eyeshadow quad, and this is how the quad looks like. This particular quad is in the shade X Executive, and it actually retails for 975 rupees. That is the reason I just own one shade from this particular palette. I love all the shades that they have in this palette, and I would love to try each one of them, I would say. But for today's video, as I just have one particular shade, I would be creating this particular eye look that I'm wearing right now on my lids using all the 4 colors that are available in the palette, and I would be talking a little bit on how I feel about this palette. Now, before getting into the actual eyeshadow application, let's talk about the packaging of this quad a little bit. So as you might be able to see, this is how the packaging looks like. It looks like a Purana briefcase sort of a packaging, but I absolutely love the shininess. The only thing I am not very pleased with is the fact that all of the eyeshadows actually look pretty much the same. So until you are reading the names of the eyeshadow from the back, you won't be able to differentiate by just looking at the packaging. So yes, this is how it is. Now this is a very sturdy case, and it is absolutely travel friendly. It has a little closure here. All you have to do is open it up, and it closes with a very strong click, which makes it even more secure while traveling. Now when you open it, you get a full-size mirror here, and all the 4 shadows are right here. 2 of the shadows given in this palette are matte shade, while the other 2 are the pressed pigments. They are very nice, very easy to blend, and all 4 of them are really pigmented. You will see the pigmentation while I'll be applying these shadows on my lid and creating the particular eye look that I am currently wearing. So yes, that was all about the packaging of this eyeshadow quad. Now, before sharing my thoughts on this eyeshadow quad, let's get into the eye tutorial. This is how the final eye look looks with the lashes on. Lashes that I'm currently wearing are Space Beauty, and the variant is called Nubia. So yes, this is how the final eye look looks like. Now if you'll ask me what I feel about this particular palette, so I have always said that I am in love with these palettes. This is not the first time that I'm trying this palette. I have tried this palette a few times earlier and have loved the eye look each and every time. So yes, I absolutely love it, and I would definitely love to try more variants. The only thing that I noticed while I was using the shadows today is that this particular color has changed a little bit in consistency. Like there are 2 pressed glitters in this eyeshadow palette, and the consistency of this one and this one were exactly the same initially, but now this particular one is a little more creamy and a little more, it feels like dampened eyeshadow or something. But yes, they are both of them are really pigmented, and they're really easy to apply, and you can see the pigmentation. I have applied these using a brush, and you can already see how pigmented they are even with the brush. So if you're someone who love to apply such shadows with your fingers, then they would turn out even better, I would say. But yes, to give it a little more precise look, I usually prefer going in with my eyeshadow brush. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette, and I would highly recommend this eyeshadow palette. Specifically, if you are a neutral lover, you can create party looks as well as everyday neutral makeup look using just one single palette. And again, as I've said, I've tried this palette a few times earlier. I know that the staying power of these eyeshadows are pretty decent. They can easily last up to like 4 to 5 hours without creasing or without fading. But after 4 to 5 hours, if you do not have a good primer on, then the shadows might start to fade, and they might lose a little bit of pigmentation, but apart from that, these eyeshadows are brilliant. They have an amazing pigmentation, amazing blendability, and a decent staying power. So yes, that were my thought about this particular XX Revolution eyeshadow quad in the shade X Executive. If you are interested in seeing any other shade from the collection, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would absolutely love to buy and try more colors from the collection. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.